everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a pack with me video. I'm going to my friend's this weekend for her birthday and we're gonna pack for that. But before we get started, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell down below to be notified every single time I make a new video, and let's get started. So I was just sleeping over once, and so I'm gonna get a lot. I'm gonna get an idea. For sure I need t-shirts. Okay, I like to have different options. So I have this blue t-shirt or crop top. I have this brown crop top that you've probably seen in a haul. These two are like tighter crop tops, so this is like more flowy crop top. It's just an MTV crop top I got from Five Below. I have this angel crop top that I got from PacSun in the brand new side. And then I have this Rolling Stones t-shirt, which is not a crop top, it's longer, it's a more flowy t-shirt, as well as this American Eagle one. So those are my t-shirts. And then for pants, I'm gonna bring these. I have a swimsuit just in case, because last time we went over there, we did water balloons and I didn't actually know, it wasn't really planned. And so I'm gonna bring a swimsuit. I have two pairs of shorts. They're the same shorts, except they're just in two different sizes. I have these shorts, these mom shorts, which I'm actually gonna wear because we're gonna go to a candle making factory before we go to her house, and so I'm gonna wear shorts that tomorrow, Saturday. Today is Friday. Also, yesterday was my last day of school, so it's really fun. It's finally summer. And then I have some sweatpants. I'm gonna bring these yoga pants if I want to wear them. And then some jeans if we go somewhere nice. And then, of course, I'm gonna bring 3 pairs of socks. And then my undergarments, which I'll get a little bit later. Okay, so now that I'm done with picking out my clothes, I'm gonna pick out what I need. And so I'm gonna bring a brush, of course. I'm probably gonna bring just this claw clip if I want to put my hair up. I'm going to bring face wash. I use this micellar water face wash, and then these cotton pads. I'm also going to bring perfume and lotion. And then I'm also gonna bring my toothbrush and toothpaste, but I'm gonna leave that for tomorrow morning because obviously I need to brush my teeth. Next, I'm going to bring some jewelry probably. I'm probably gonna bring a few rings or wear them with me. I'm gonna wear these golden hoops that will focus. I'm gonna wear these golden hoops. Okay, and then I'm going to bring a makeup bag. I already have it packed. I'll just show you guys what's in here. So I have deodorant, and I just have some makeup. So I have concealer, I have some eyeshadow, mascara, and then I have lip gloss, and then some brushes, and like an eyebrow brush. And then I'm also going to bring eyeliner. Okay, here is the eyeliner that I'm going to bring. I also have another eyeliner that is like a bluish color, and I don't know why I bought that. I accidentally got that color instead of the black, so oops. Okay, and then I also have her gift since it's her birthday. Okay, I'm also gonna bring my headphones, charger, and then I'm going to bring, for shoes, I'm gonna wear my Air Forces, and then I'm gonna bring like a pair of sandals probably. And then I'm going to bring my camera. Hold on, I'm just gonna have to move you guys for a second. Oh gosh, okay, this is not working. Okay, I'm going to bring a camera, my Polaroid camera, which actually is empty right now. So I'm gonna grab another pack. all good. I think that should be all. I'll probably run or like come across something that I also that I want to bring, but I think right now that should be it. I'm going to put all this in a backpack now. Here's the backpack I'm going to be using. It's pretty small considering all the stuff that I have to bring, but we're going to fit all of these clothes and these stuff in here. Okay, I think I'm gonna get rid of this one. I don't really think I'm gonna wear it. And so, actually, yeah, I don't think I'm gonna wear this. So I'll just throw it back there and not bring that. I'm gonna wear these shorts tomorrow with one of these shirts actually. So I should probably take one of these shirts out. I think I'll just wear the shirt with it. That's a cute outfit, right? Here's the backpack. I made it pretty flat, surprisingly. And then I just kept, let's see, I kept this out for tomorrow. I don't know if I'm gonna wear jeans or not. I don't know if I'm gonna bring them or not. I probably won't, because they don't really fit. But I'll figure it out. I might bring them. And then I'm gonna wear these shorts with this angel t-shirt tomorrow, and then I am going to wear these earrings. I'm not 100% sure that these earrings match. I'm hoping that these earrings match, but I don't know. Yeah, I don't know if these earrings match, but that's okay. We'll figure it out. I hope they match. Gold goes with a lot of things, right? And then I'm just gonna keep out my cleanser. I'm going to keep out my brush and my makeup and deodorant and my sock, of course. My socks. And perfume. And then I have the gift. I'm gonna keep out my charger as well. And I think that should be all. Wow, I think that's all. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, go watch my other videos and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!